Hi everyone, the indigenous community that our group want to talk about is Lun Bawang. Lun Bawang is an indigenous group found in central northern Borneo. They are also recognized as Lun Daye or Murut. Lun Bawang are known to be indigenous to the highlands of northern Kalimantan, Brunei, southwest of Sabah and the northern parts of Sarawak. In Malaysia, the total population of Lun Bawang is around 38,000 and most of them resides in Lawas district, which is located within the Limbang division, Sarawak. Lun Bawang were once a headhunting race back in the early 20th century when Sarawak was still under the rule of the Brooks family. They were among the last tribal groups on Borneo to renounce headhunting. In 19,000, the third White Raja of Sarawak, Brook, brought a force of about 1,000 men to go into the mountainous Lun Bawang country to catch the rebellious chiefs. However, they fought in the jungle but could not pin the native chiefs because of the terrain and thick jungle. Therefore, the Brooke administration would not permit other people, especially Christianity preachers, to go up among the tribe, for fear of being killed by these fierce headhunters, calling them the fiercest and the worst of all the tribes that the Brooks family had attempted to pacify. Nowadays, Lun Bawang left their old life ways and beliefs and they have become the cleanest and the best tribe in Sarawak. Many of the Lun Bawang people practice Christianity with about 80% being Christians, while the other 20% being made up of Islam and other religions.
As you can see, the Lun Bawang are currently playing a kind of musical instrument which is called suling. Suling is a side-blown mouth flute with 6 holes made from bamboo. The instrument can be played by either male or female community. The larger musical instrument which is currently played by those men are called bas. Bas is made from large buluh talang which is a kind of bamboo. 5 bas sizes are commonly found in Lun Bawang community which are bas dudita, bas sodita, Bas Mi, Bas Du Arang Idi, and Bas Sobarna from shortest to largest. Here in this video, the traditional dance which is named Alai Sekafi is being displayed. Alai in their language refers to dance, while Sekafi refers to a type of instrument. As this dance must be performed with the instrument Sekafi, which makes up the name Alai Sekafi. As you can see, in Sekafi dancing, the female dancers are required to dance on top of the gongs to signify greatness of the inner nature of the Lun Daye woman. These traits or attributes are deemed important in supporting their community as they serve to educate the future generation mother in assisting the men in the family as wives. The Sekafi dance is perceived as having attained its full aesthetic potential when the female dance movements are subtle, soft, dignified and tolerant as this element mirror the traditional feminine nature of Lun Daye. Sekafi music styles are composed primarily as a means of expression of the feminine nature reflected in the dance aesthetic. Hence, to successfully present the great feminine values in the dance aesthetic of Sekafi, the music is crafted to support and complement the dance itself.
One of the most interesting food among Lun Bawang is called Nuba Laya. Here is a short clip about how the Nuba Laya is made. Rice is cooked and when it is still hot, the cook will stir the rice until it becomes like mashed potatoes. Then they will use certain leaves which is known as daun isip to wrap the mashed rice. This nubalaya can be drier or wetter depending on the taste of the family. However, the drier nubalaya will have a longer shelf life. Usually, the rice prepared in this way can last at least 2 days without refrigerator. This rice is a very popular staple amongst the local and foreigners. Side dishes from the Lun Bawang communities go very well with this rice. Here are some recommendations about serving a meal with nabulaya and some other small dishes.